All right, special thanks to this company who were nice enough to send me their kids' smartwatch. Now we're just gonna do a little unboxing here and show you what comes inside of it. That's a picture on the back. You can see kind of what it looks like. Side, HD camera, replaceable watch strap, and waterproof and gain. And this side, a large capacity battery, dynamic dial, music, and sport. So let's slide it on out of here. I don't know. There we go. Okay. So it all comes together. So we have box stuff. It has a little proprietary charging cable, so it's not USB-C or anything. You gotta have this cable. And then lastly, well, that's it for that. Got a full operations manual that'll tell you everything you need to know about it, how it works, how to do things and take pictures and all that fun stuff. And then this is the actual little smartwatch itself. So there is the camera that it's talking about it has. Looks like a reset button over here. Your charger is on the back and a power button here on the side. So very simple and straightforward. It's definitely small enough to fit, you know, ages 3 to probably 6 or 7 in terms of a kid's smartwatch. So that'll do it for this kid's smartwatch unboxing. Thanks again to this company for sending it to me, and thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.